Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to do another honest MLM review today. Today we are talking about the company Crunchi. I had never heard of it before until the distributor Liz reached out to me. That's the girl that sent me these products and whose information is linked down in the description box below. Just as a quick reminder about this series that I do of these honest MLM reviews, I am not a distributor. I am not getting paid to do these videos. I'm not getting paid to say any of these things. In fact, my distributor doesn't even know what I'm going to say right now. She willingly reached out to me, contacted me, and offered to send me these products. Thank you, Liz, so much for doing that. I got them in August of last year, so I have been using these products for a very, very long time. If you don't know anything about Crunchi, it's a makeup company that focuses on like clean ingredients, very like health conscious. I have some information right here. They're made in the USA. They're made with certified organic ingredients. They're toxin-free, vegetarian, gluten-free, cruelty-free, all of the frees. They pay very close attention to the ingredients that they're putting in their products. They are a part of the green beauty movement. They're very, very natural and health conscious. So that being said, I was super intrigued when Liz reached out and sent me these products. So the two that I have to review today are their Beautifully Flawless Foundation, and I am in the shade Fair 01, and this is their lip gloss in Namaste. The brief summary about this review is I absolutely loved both of these products, and I would give them my stamp of approval. I would repurchase them. I'm going to be buying more from this company now that I've been sent these. I was sent them for free, but I'm going to be reaching out to Liz, my distributor, and buying some more things. I was very, very impressed, and that is completely honest. I'm going to insert some footage right here of me applying the foundation. While you see me applying the foundation, I'm going to talk about it a little bit. One of my favorite things about this product is it's so hard for me to find a product that matches my skin tone, and this one completely does. Undertones, level, all of the things, it just totally matches. It looks a little light when it goes on, but that's because we're matching to my neck, not to my face, and so I do need to lighten up my skin tone in order to make it match my neck and chest and hands. I love the shade. We'll just get that out there. I love that it's made with really healthy ingredients and that I'm not worried about the makeup that's sitting on my face. I have slightly sensitive skin and it didn't cause any irritations. It didn't break me out. I didn't feel like it clogged my pores. It just didn't do any of those bad things that sometimes foundations can do. I love the coverage. I love the color. I love the way that it makes my skin look because it just looks like my skin, but improved. It left my skin looking like skin while at the same time adding that coverage. I wouldn't say that it is a full coverage foundation. It's definitely a medium coverage. I ended up using a little less than a pump and a half of the foundation, and it gave me medium coverage. This foundation is buildable, but I didn't feel the need to do that because I love that it does still look like skin, but it just smooths my skin tone, evens it out, makes my skin look a little bit airbrushed, but without going like full glam or it being obvious that I have foundation on. And it even smells good. I don't have any complaints about it. I love the container. It feels very luxurious. You have this glass bottle with a very comfortable pump. It doesn't squirt foundation out. You're controlled in the amount of product that you want to squirt out with that pump. It's honestly, I really feel like they've thought about every single thing that you could think about when it comes to a foundation in this product. And it wears really well. It doesn't build up in my fine lines and wrinkles, like my smile lines around my mouth, my wrinkles under my eyes. I didn't have any buildup there. And I thought that products layered on top of it nicely. I didn't have any qualms with it. Okay, that's not true. The one time that I had an issue with this foundation was when I paired it with a silicone-based primer. If I put those silicone slippery primers like the Smashbox one and like the baby skin one, and there's a couple of those primers that just make your skin feel like slippery and silky and soft. Those primers did not do a very good job with this product. In fact, it did make it look like my pores were even more emphasized, and it kind of like would start to break the foundation up a little bit around my nose especially. And so I don't use it with a silicone based primer. I use it with primers that make my skin really tacky and sticky. So the one that I was sent by Crunchi, she just sent it to me in this little tiny like sample container, so I don't have the packaging to show you, but this one does work really well with the foundation. If you're looking for, you know, primer and foundation, you could just get both of them from Crunchi. But I've also used it with a couple of my other more like hydrating and like tacky primers as well in my collection, and it worked great. So that's the gist about the foundation. Now let's talk about this lip gloss. Here, first of all, I should swatch it. I'm terrible at swatches. It is unlike any other lip gloss I have ever used. I really don't even know how to describe it, so I'm going to try my very hardest to convey what this lip gloss is like to you. I feel like it's in between, like if a lip gloss or even like a lip oil and a liquid lipstick had a baby, or like perfectly in the middle between those two products. That's what this product is. It isn't extremely opaque, but it's not sheer either. It's very, very, very comfortable. It doesn't feel thick. My lips, like, you can't even really feel that it's on there. But it isn't like second skin feeling like a liquid lipstick is when it dries down to matte. And it isn't sticky like a lip gloss is either. It smells amazing. The color is beautiful. I feel like it's that perfect My Lip shade, but better. And I'm in the shade Namaste, just so you know. They do have a lot of other colors that I'm promptly gonna go and buy right now. I just cannot quit it with this lip gloss. This is a lip gloss that lives in my purse. On my no makeup days, this is the one that I pull out and use. It is extremely subtle. It makes your lips look beautiful and smooth, and it evens out the tint and makes it look like you've just done a little something, but you almost can't figure out what, because it isn't obvious. It's nourishing. This is the one that when people are like, oh, have you found any makeup products that you like really love recently? I'm like, yes. This lip gloss, try it. I've made my mom try it on, my friends tried it on, my sister. I'm like, guys, look at this. It's so weird. How would you describe this formula? And like, no one can, because it's just so weird. There isn't anything else like it on the market. I honestly don't think there is. And I am 100% totally behind it, and I love everything about it, and it's my new favorite lip gloss. The end. If I had to say, if you only got one of these, the one that I would say that you should get is the lip gloss. Mostly because there are other foundations on the market that do an amazing job that you can find that like check most of these boxes. However, there isn't another lip gloss like this on the market, and I really think everyone should have at least one. There you guys go. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me in my channel. All of the information and like the products that I'm wearing on my face, as well as the information for Crunchi, if you want to buy some of these or check out their website, look at their ingredient list, all of that information will be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!